See, this product which has been launched by Mahindra, what we are claiming by this product is as this is India's most affordable four-wheeler cab, right? Now the reason to say so is that we are the first company to launch this product, which is at a price point of 1.95 lakh rupees. Now with this feature, along with a mileage of around 30 km per liter and the maintenance equivalent to three-wheeler, this product offers wonderful combination of safety, comfort and status of a four-wheeler at a price point and a maintenance equivalent to three-wheeler with a sitting capacity of D+6. So the core proposition of this product revolves around the fact that it offers 27% higher earnability than diesel three-wheeler, and this is what will help customer upgrade from a three-wheeler solution to a four-wheeler solution. So we have been launching state-wise, and till now we have launched in quite a number of states. In South, this is the second state after Kerala where we are launching. The core philosophy of Mahindra is revolving around the fact that our customers should rise and they should prosper in life, and this is what this product is all about. We are helping our customer rise from a three-wheeler solution to a four-wheeler solution, and this, with the fact of a better earnability, will help him grow and prosper in life. Don't stress much on the sales target, but frankly speaking, we have capacities. As and when market demands will grow, the sales numbers will. AP is the most significant market, so we'll be quite bullish about it. Quite a few which we have launched, and for that this is not the right appropriate moment we will be able to comment on it, but there are a number of products which we are going to launch, and since we have our VP sales along with us, you can always have a song. So this is the only product as of now in this category. This is the first product in this category of affordable four-wheeler. At this price point, we are the only one who have launched this product. This is 1.95 lakh rupees ex-showroom in Hyderabad. Thank you.